Good morning, it's Miss Bushnell here. I know some of you are not sure how to get onto the homework or the home learning that we've sent you this week, so I'm going to show you. Google Bishop Tufnell, go on to the first one, onto the home page, then to pupils, across to home learning, then for obviously year 6, my favourite year group, scroll down to the year 6 bit. If you click on there, you get your home learning pack, and that's all the resources. It's not the resources, it's the timetable you need for the day. About to appear on your screen. So here, obviously, we've got daily tasks for you. 20 minutes on Timetables Rockstars, 10 minutes of spelling, 20 minutes on Read Theory, and make sure you do something fun. So I'm just going to minimise that. And then on the resources section, you have a lovely zip folder with everything you could possibly need. So your science, living things, this is the writing activities folder that we set up. So just go into here. This was task 1 for yesterday, task 2 for today, which I'll talk through in a separate video. So hopefully you can find everything you need. Have a good day.